Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, medyo gulo-gulo pa ang aking hair. So today, nandito naman tayo sa Acacia Hotel. So, it's been a while. Medyo matagal na rin before pandemic that we've been here. So, let's do a room tour. Dahil first time ko lang sa 2 single beds there. Perfect. Okay, let's do a room tour. Coming from the door, tingnan natin kung may mga nabago dito. As usual, the toilet. And the shower, yun ang nabago there. Meron na siyang shower and bath gel na naka-ready. Na naka-fix. Before kasi maliliit na tube yan. Ala, ba't isang hand towel na lang dito? Alright. And there's a mirror. Same pa rin ang kanilang sponsor ba yan? Yan ang brand na yan. Nature. There. I don't know what's this. It's lotion. Alright. Okay. Saka isang glass na lang. Then the soap. Then yung sink, hair dryer, and we have a bathtub. Namiss ko yung bathtub. Alright, 2 towels. Okay. And sa tapat ng door ng CR is the cabinet. We have the safe. May plancha, may kabayo, and the bathrobe. Let's see ilan. Oh, isa na lang din. Talaga nagtitipid na sila ngayon, ha? Good thing, dalawa pa rin na sleepers. Alright. So, yun yung mga bag namin. So, we'll be staying here for 3 days. Kasi may bisita ako tomorrow. Kaya ang nirequest ko ay connecting room. Alright, so 2 single beds. Single lang talaga siya, hindi aari ang dalawang people. There. Uy, nagpalit na sila ng phone. They're using Cisco na. Alright. Dati may extra pillow dun sa cabinet. Ngayon wala. Kasi ito yung favorite upuan ni Direk. Pag nandito. Yan si Direk. And bago na yung switch nila. Ayan, nawala yung LAN. Dati may LAN. Saksakanan lang. Ngayon wala na. Okay. And then, here's our view. It's our first time here sa side na to. Kasi lagi ko nire-request sa kabila. So, yun yung Feel Invest tent. Tapos yung garden. Yan, garden. Then, going there. Yan yung part na yan. Toto, yan. Going to the pool. There. Dahil din naman kami magsaswimming, magre-relax lang kami for today's video. Alright, we're on the 9th floor. So, tawid lang, di ka magutom, may McDonald's, Jollibee, then dun sa side na yon, may Army Navy, dun sa may Commerce Center, then there, Starbucks, may Starbucks dyan, then Lawson, I believe, or 7-Eleven. I think it's Lawson, there. Di kayo magugutom dito. Then, going straight, it's Festival Mall. Alright, going there. Alright. Okay, there you have it. So, hindi na kami nag-breakfast. Tapos, say gusto na namin mamahinga. Bahala na. Kung magbe-breakfast kami tomorrow or room service na. Alright, there we have it. Thank you guys. And I'll see you on our next video. Bye!